Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the certificate file and password. This matters because Word delegates trust to Windows. Open Word and navigate to File, Options, Trust Center, then Trust Center Settings. Do this now. Once there, select Trusted Publishers and choose to import or add the cert to the Windows Certificate Store via Certinger. MSC. You do this because Word checks the OS store. Adding the cert at the OS level ensures Word recognizes it immediately and avoids later signature failures. Next, import the certificate into the personal store and set it for digital signatures. You do this via Certinger, MSC, or Word Signature Import. During import, mark the private key as exportable and supply the password so Word can sign documents later. Once imported, open your document and either insert a signature line or go to File, Info, Protect Document, add a digital signature. You choose the certificate from the list. Make sure its purpose includes digital signature. Then sign to bind. Finally, save the signed file and verify in File Info that Word displays the signature and certificate details. This confirms integrity. If Word flags the signature as invalid, check the certificate chain first. Ensure intermediate and root certificates are present, the cert is not expired, and revocation status is clear. Once done, re-import the cert if needed, confirm system time is accurate, and as a last resort, contact the certificate authority for reissuance. This restores trust without redoing your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.